Good day. In this video, we are going to learn to find the shortcut way or the shortcut method to find the highest common factor, or some places you call it the greatest common factor, either called the HCF or the GCF. So the normal method of finding the HCF is as followed. First, you find the factors of 4. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. And the factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, and 8. So there are 3 common factors there, 1, 2, and 4. But the highest or the greatest common factor is 4. So the highest common factor is 4. Or the other way, in some places in Asia, we learn this method, okay? So 4 and 8, you divide by 2, so it becomes 2 and 4, and divide by 2, you left with 1 and 2. There's nothing common anymore, so that's why we stop there. So the highest common factor is 2 times 2, and that will give you 4. Okay, today I'm going to teach you the shortcut method, so listen carefully and we should be fine. Find the least common difference between the numbers. For example, if there are 3 numbers, then you have to find the least common difference between the 3 numbers. By there are 2, then only 1 difference, okay? If the other numbers can be divided or can be divisible by the difference, then that will be the HCF, okay? So we shall do the 2 simple example, and then we shall do more complicated example later on. So the first example is that we have find the HCF of 4 and 8. So first you find the difference. The difference is 4, okay? Then you need to take the 4. Can you divide by 4? Yes, you can. 8, can you divide by 4? Yes, you can. So 4 is the HCF. Simple as that, okay? Next example, 10 and 15. Difference is 5. So can 10 be divided by 5? Yes, 15 can be divided by 5. So 5 is the HCF. That is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we shall look at another example. Okay. So now you find the difference between find the HCF between 27 and 32. So the difference is 5. Okay, so can 27 be divided by 5? No. 32 can be divided by 5? No. So 5 is a prime number. So the HCF, when remember there's no number that can be divided by 5, the HCF is going to be 1. Okay, just remember that. Okay, next example, 21 and 35. So the difference is going to be 14. Difference is 14. Can 21 be divided by 14? No. Can 35 be divided by 14? No. So what you do, you're going to break 14 into the prime number 7 times 2. Okay. So what happens, you're going to divide 21 by 7, you can. 35 by 7, you can. So 7 is a possible outcome. Okay. And then when you divide by 7, 21 divided by 7, it becomes 3. And 35 divided by 7, it becomes a 5. So now you look at 2. Can 3 be divided by 2? No. 5 cannot be divided by 2. So the answer, your HCF, is going to be 7 only. Okay. If 2 is possible, then the HCF is going to be 14. Okay. So now we shall do a 3-digit excuse me, example. So the difference between 35 and 45 is 10. And difference between 45 and 50 is 5. So you look for the least common difference, okay? The least. So the least is 5. So can 35 be divided by 5? Yes. 45 can divide by 5? Yes. 50 divided by 5? Yes. So the HCF is going to be 5. Okay, the hardest of the lot is going to be find the HCF of 12, 30, and 84. So the difference is 18, and the difference is 54. You look for the lowest common difference. So the difference is 18. Can 12 be divided by 18? No. So you can simplify 18 further. So 18 is made up of 3 times 3 times 2. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18. So we're going to look at 3 first. Can 12 be divided by 3? Yes. 30 divided by 3? Yes. 84 divided by 3? Yes. Okay. So the answer when you divide by 3, so 3 is possible. So when you divide by 3, your answer becomes 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 30 divided by 3 is 10. And 84 divided by 3 is going to be 20. 28. Okay? Yes. Next, we look at the next 3. Can we divide it by 3? 4 cannot divide by 3, so this out. So we look at the next number 2 now. Okay? Can 4 be divided by 2? Yes. 10 divided by 2? Yes. 28 divided by 2. So it becomes 2, 5, and 14. So this is possible. So your HCF is going to be 3 and 2. That will be 3 times 2. And your HCF is going to be 6. Cheers everyone, and see you soon.